This year, more than ever, our communities have been hit with new economic and social challenges as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Mandela Day was a great opportunity for us to lend some extra helping hands to our community. Our focus this year was to address two key issues: the importance of water conservation and ensuring food security. We spent our 67 minutes at the Hananani Primary School, located in the village of Dixie on the boundary of the Sabi Sand. The school's vegetable garden feeds 253 school children every day with a wholesome and nutritious meal from the vegetables it grows. The school and the garden share a water supply, so we helped install a drip irrigation system which allows a conservative means of watering the garden. We also built Tippy Tap stations. The Tippy Tap is the perfect tool for a community which does not have running water. The foot mechanism releases only enough water for you to wash your hands and keeps the rest of the station untouched and clean for the next person. We were lucky to have the Dixie Scouts with us on the day. Conservation South Africa, CSA's initiative, is to support the setup and development of local scout troops in the rural communities. Leadership abilities, teamwork, self-motivation, environmental education, and cultural awareness are a few of the life skills the Scouts acquire whilst having fun and learning by doing. We as Thornybush would like to thank everybody who partnered with and joined us on the day, not only for creating awareness around the needs of our local community, but also highlighting the incredible benefits of empowering the youth of today. Madiba would be so proud.